Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Valerie Dison, and today I am doing a review of the Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara. That's been out for 5 years already, so there's plenty of videos, but I was sent this for free through Influenster to share my thoughts and opinions on it. So I figured, why not share my opinion and put it on YouTube for you guys to see it. So if you're interested in knowing more about my thoughts and opinions of the Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara, then just keep on watching and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe before you leave. So I know it's been 5 years since this came out, but I was sent this by Influencer to review, so I figured why not and show it on YouTube? Why not? And share my thoughts and opinions about it. So it's the Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara, and it's not the waterproof one. And yeah, I'm just going to share my thoughts and opinions on it. Here is what it looks like out of the packaging. And there is the applicator. And as you can tell, I already have my makeup done. If you got any questions of what is on my eyes or like already on my face, then just look in my description box below. I did try this mascara, I want to say 2 years ago, and I wasn't the hugest fan of it. But since they sent it to me, I figured I'd give it a second shot. Here's one coat, what it looks like. That's the one I did, and that's the one I haven't done. With one coat. Sorry about the sun. I don't know if I'm going to be able to finish this. So it is adding volume, just not as much as I would like right now, especially not for the price. I'd much rather use my Essence Princess mascara, because it's like, what, not even $4, and this one's like over 20. I'm gonna continue doing my mascara. I know I messed up, but yeah. Okay, so it does lengthen, like this is one coat on both lashes. I just find that the Essence one works out better. And it's cheaper. So far, I wouldn't recommend this mascara over the Essence False Lash Princess Mascara. Let's see if I got it. It's Lash Princess False Lash Effect Mascara with the green writing. And I believe it's cheaper than $4. So, it does have a good brush. I will say that. I do like the brush. And then the second layer makes it look a lot better than just one layer. That is 2 layers. And it does apply evenly, I find. It does a great job at defining and separating. I mean, I think this is like a good buildable mascara, definitely. Because look how long my lashes are from where we started. And they're separated pretty good, too. Most people find cons out of this mascara that it flakes. And I think I remember it flaking with me, and that's why I didn't really like it. But I'll leave it in the description box how I feel at the end of the day, because I am just going to do a quick review, and when I go to edit this, I'll leave the end of the day review in my description box. But this is like a first impression trial type of review for right now. More people said it smudges or runs. I don't know. I am going to clean this up once it dries where I messed up at. I want to wait till it dries so it'll flick away easier. And a lot of people says that this mascara dries out quickly. I don't remember that part, so I won't be able to answer that, not even at the end of this. So check with me in about a month from now and I might have an answer for you. And it says that a lot of people found this as a sticky texture. I don't think it's sticky at all. I think it's quite nice. I just think I would prefer my Essence one over this because it's a lot cheaper and it does just as well, if not better. So, right, I'm going to let this dry and I'll come back at you with my intro and outro. Alright, that's the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Yeah, so it was a review of the Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara. And yeah, that's the end look, since you didn't really get to see what it looked like without the smudges and stuff, my mistakes. So yeah, I like this mascara. I just don't really think it's worth the price. I still would recommend the Essence Princess False Lash Effect Mascara over this one, just because this one does just as good, if not better, and it's lower than $4, I believe, or it's definitely at least half the price of this one. But I am really happy to being sent it for free to review on my channel. But yeah, I'm gonna share my thoughts and opinions of it. And like I said before, if you want to know my, end opinion about like if it flakes or whatever, then it'll be in my description box below. Don't forget to check that out. And I hope you enjoyed this review. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you buddies next time. Bye.